Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's see what we are going to create today. This is a great presentation. Let's create it. It has nice effect. Okay, let's start. At first, you need to insert a blank space and insert a text. For example, we name it title for now, or let's call it logo, for example. That's good. And we increase in size. You must install the font that we are going to use. The font is Overdrive Sunset. After that, select the text, and after selecting the text, go to Format Shape, to Text option and Text Fill, and use Gradient Fill. For the fill, you must use the color you want. For example, let's start with blue, then some green, and after that some purple, and at the end some yellow. Okay, it's good. It has a good effect. Now we must set it from right to left. Now hold Shift and create a lots of copy of that to look like this. But don't forget to have the copies everywhere. Okay, now we create that. Copy this slide. Select Ctrl A, shape format, align them center, align them middle. And also put them here. Let me do that here. Oh, we have a little empty place here. Let me fill it up. Now copy the text. Set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments and ask me if you need anything. Have a nice time.